Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Safeway clipped coupons. In order to do so, here we are in the Safeway app for Android, and as you can see, we have a few products here that say clip deal underneath. If you find a product that you want to add a coupon for, then just click where it says clip deal and that will be added to your cart. You can also select here at the bottom in the menu where it says deals. If we click on that, then here you will find all of the different coupons that you have available to you. You can see at the bottom right hand corner where it says clipped. That shows 0 right now because we don't have any coupons clipped, but it will show a number there when you select the coupon that you want to add. So just click there where it says clip deal. And when you shop, input your registered mobile phone number or scan your Safeway Club card at checkout, the clipped coupons will automatically apply to your purchase. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.